All right, let's go on. Speaking part two. Describe something that saves your time. Saves, which tense?
Present.
Present tense. Okay, so everything is going to be in present. Please start.
It is important to save our time because time flies very fastly and
Fast.
fast. It never comes again. We can achieve everything in our life, but once time is run, we can't achieve anything. To save my time, I take a nap of in my hectic routine. I'll take a nap of 10 to 15 minutes, so it will help me to keep me calm and handle every situation very well. I concentrate on my studies very well after taking a nap, and I do a lot of exercises. After that, I can do a lot of tasks. I cook very well after that, and I do not fight with anyone in my home, and that made me feel fresh and happy. I concentrate. I concentrate on anything that I want to do, and if we do not pay attention to our time, then we can't achieve anything in our life. Our goals will become ruined, and we cannot achieve it.
Okay, I'm sorry. Your answer is all confused answer. The topic is describe something that saves your time. You talked about taking a nap, then you talked about importance of time, then you talked about the importance of nap and how you feel fresh and all that. You need to talk about an activity that saves your time. For example, if you are cooking, you use pressure cooker. Pressure cooker takes 10 minutes to cook something which you can otherwise cook in 1 hour. That saves your time. So a piece of machinery, equipment or anything.
Okay.
So your answer is irrelevant.
Okay.
So you need to select something which has got the relevance with the topic. That is very important.
Okay.
You talked about nap, then you talked about the importance of nap, how you feel after taking nap. But where is the topic? Describe something that saves your time. So connect your answer with the question. That is very important. Otherwise your answer is going to be off the topic. Off the topic means no score for that. Now let's go on. What do you do when you are in a hurry?
When I was in a hurry,
When I am in a hurry.
when I am in a hurry, I take a transport, and
I
I
thought
reach
you would
to,
say I take a nap, huh? A can nap. All right.
I reach to my destination
Okay.
and do my work there. And there are also very equipments that will help me in doing my work, as we use as we use calculator to calculate our math calculations. We That will help me solve
What
my
was the
sum-
question? What do you do when you are in a hurry? So your answers are not, answers have no relevance to the question. What do you do when you are hurry? Well, whenever I am in a hurry, I try to do the things immediately. And sometimes I do things in a wrong way as well, just because I'm rushing to that. So whenever I'm in a hurry, I give myself a message, calm down and relax, and I try to do the things properly. That's it. Okay, so your answer is not related to the question. This can bring you low band score, right? Thank you so much.